Hello, I will be talking to you about Module 4, the CASA model. So I live in New York State, so this is something that we don't have here. So me and my principal talked for a long time about comparing our school to the CASA model. So starting off with relationships, I would say that we are modeling, and that's what my principal said too. Communication is our strong suit. We involve many people in our daily interactions, so parents, students, administration, community from time to time. We are very warm with both our parents and our service providers. We have great relationships with OT, PT, speech, anybody coming in from another program that comes to help with our school and some of our students. We have a partnership with our parents. We make it a point to have that connection with the parents to be able to get work done at school, but also make sure that we do what we can to have parents understand the connection piece at home. If there's not a relationship between parents and teachers, then the students are not going to be able to carry over between home and school. We also make sure we have extra events. We do a lot of different book readings, different things like that to bring the community in and to bring parents in and have parent involvement, parent volunteering. We have really good communication. We send home letters, everybody does every day, so we work really well with that one. So that one's modeling. Relevance. We said implementing. This is an area in which we struggle the most with curriculum. We have one curriculum person with subject of math and then another one with ELA, and we only meet with them a total of I think 3 grade level meetings a year, and that's supposed to set up the curriculum for the whole year. My principal basically stated that our teachers are, and I quoted this, our teachers are more of deliverers of material, not designers of material. They are lacking of thought and understanding. So it's just saying that we get material, like not us, not individually, but like some of our teachers get material and they just like read right from it, just like because we use the modules for math. A lot of people just, or some people may choose to just read from it and not add anything, and it's just very dry. It's not like we're creating our own, we're using what we have. So that's things such as taking from teacher pay teacher and not doing anything on your own with it, or taking something offline and just doing it verbatim. We also are working on my principal brought up the fact that student engagement versus student entertainment. Those are 2 completely different things that we are working on as a school to better our teachers and staff to understand the difference. And with technology, we use it as, I guess, you use it instead of paper. So it's not like we're using technology to its full ability either. So that would be implementing. Responsiveness, we said transitioning. We are working to better our responsiveness in views of our principal position. He has stated that principals usually are one of 2 things. They are either instructional leaders or managers, and he believes at our district they're using principals as managers, which is not the position he believes it should be, which I agree. The district climate is improving with the standards we have in New York State, with how intense they're getting. Teachers are starting to, what my principal said, is to teach in fear of APPR and being told they're doing something wrong, that we're losing our love for it. And I think that that's something that's big for being in a school. You have to love what you do to be able to continue to reach all the students that you're going to work with. He said that because he's pretty new, he is in his 5th year, I think, and he said that he's been trying to rebuild our school to be less stressful for teachers and making it more of a learning experience, not like he's attacking on things or anything like that. He just wants us to be the best we can be, which I think we should all be striving for anyway. With the wellness, we have a lot of people come in for push-ins. We have a CARES program, a Dignity of All Students. We have the fire department, the police department. We have a lot of community outreach, different things coming in to help our students understand different things about like smoking and different things like that. So that's very helpful. With rigor, with professional learning, we have teachers that will go to professional development, and they'll go just because they need hours, not because they want to learn new material that's going to help their students. This is where I believe that if you want to be the best teacher you can, you're looking to find different kind of developments that will help you grow as an individual, not just the hours that you need to have. Because we have 6 staff development days, and my principal is talking about how we needed to have those days separated into a way that each grade level could have a certain amount of things they can pick to do for development that would benefit their classrooms. Not that it's like one big thing that everybody has to go to, because a high school teacher compared to the kids that I teach, it's going to be a completely different ballpark, because that's 12th grade. I got kindergarten, and I have students with special needs. So it'd be better if our school had more choices that would relate to our classrooms specifically. And my principal, when we looked back on it and I looked at the different leadership styles, I definitely saw that he is a democratic type style. He looks for teachers' input on everything, and not in a negative way by any means. He makes the final decision, and then but he also wants to let it be known to everybody what the choices would be. He sets up that we have teacher meetings, so not just faculty meetings. We meet as grade level meetings after school. We go for specific things, so we have like safety meetings, we have curriculum meetings, all these things, because he wants input on everything, because he wants to do what's best for us and what's best for the school and the students. What we need to improve, we need to work on setting up curriculum better. It's very skill heavy and it's not truly project based. Also having teachers work on teachers being the designers, not the deliverers of material, and working on figuring out how to set up a curriculum map in a way that benefits everybody involved. So it'd be easier, instead of taking everybody out of the classroom for a full day, so a whole kindergarten class, like kindergarten group leaves, so all those teachers are gone, and then just having one person be the chair of each group so that they can lead and help make the decisions for everybody, and then they could come back and talk and we can all figure it out. Removing every teacher that whole day for a whole kindergarten group, or first, second, or third, is, I think, hindering our students, so we're trying to find a better way to do that. All in all, I really liked the CASA model. I honestly think that our school needs to look a lot more into it. So, thank you.